Hello everyone, I'm Mark Gurney with Ruger. I'm here with Ruger shooting team captain Doug Koenig, and we're here to introduce the new Ruger 1022 competition model. It's one of our first custom shop models where we take Ruger greats like the 1022 and make them a little better with refinement and attention to detail. So Doug, you helped us design this in the early days and now you've been shooting it, so what do you think so far?
Well, I love it. I love the ergonomics of the stock. I love the balance, the overall balance and the way the gun moves. I also love the texture of the paint job on it. Your hands get a little sweaty. It's really nice. There's some texture there. Great trigger on it, good for competitive shooting and plinking in the backyard. And again, the oversized bolt, the smoothness of the bolt, and the quickness of the bolt release. I love that, the automatic bolt release. Really full of features.
Well, in order to get that smooth bolt feel in the auto bolt release, we ended up going with a CNC milled aluminum receiver. It's hard coat anodized. And we also have a CNC milled bolt. It's stainless steel and it's nitrided. So it really makes for a nice smooth action and allows us to put in the auto bolt release.
Yep.
And then allows us to do a few other things with it as well. So we have 2 bedding screws, so that positively locates the receiver in the stock.
Okay.
And then we have dual barrel locators. So we located the bottom with the regular V-block, but we also have a feature up top that clamps in the top, and that allows the barrel to free float.
Right, which always enhances the accuracy.
Right. So for enhanced accuracy, this is a cold hammer forged barrel. It's heavy diameter, but you notice it's fluted for a little less weight.
Right.
You were shooting pretty well with it. It does have a tighter chamber.
Okay, I noticed that, and I've shot different ammo through it, just doing some testing, and it's really a tack driver. It's really, really accurate.
The barrel is threaded, and we have this new muzzle brake on it, and it does a great job of just keeping the barrel flat while you're plinking away. Super ergonomics all around. An extended magazine release. I think you appreciate that.
Absolutely, I love that. Competitive shooting, a lot of times we have to do reloads under time, and I just love the quick mag release. And again, another feature is the adjustable comb. This gun's set up right now with a red dot, so having it all the way down, it's a perfect setup. But if you want to put a magnification, a big rifle scope on, you can adjust the comb height to fit you perfectly and be ready to go.
Okay, and if you did put that big scope on, this pick rail on the top, which is integral to the receiver, is actually a 30-minute rail. So it'll give that optic a little more help to get out and zero your 22 long rifle when you're shooting at longer ranges.
Right, that's exciting.
Yeah. So all in all, it's a great feature to add to the Ruger lineup, the new Custom Shop 1022, where we take tried and true guns like the 1022, add some refinement, attention to detail, and make great guns even better. You can learn more on our website or see it at your local firearms retailer.